विश्व 24 न्यूज हर पल आपके साथ।
If you asked me what's my native, I can't say anything because my birthplace is in Maharashtra, Usmanabad district. Then after my birth of I think just after 5 days we are shifted in Latur district. Then we took education in Nanded district. Then for the service, the cause of service, I shifted, I migrated in Solapur and Pune district, and now is here. We are a very tribal and gypsy, like the unique point there is, but tribals have, in a tribal category in Maharashtra or in India, a lot of caste and communities included in tribals, but there are some unique things in the tribals, some unique qualities in tribals, like tribal, they have absence the concept of God. They have not concept of God. The tribals have their own language, like Ghisadi, Kaikadi, Gondali, Baradi, Joshi, Chapparvan, Sikkalgar, Chitrakathi, Kolhati, Ramoshi, Vadari, Karekapari, Makadwali, lot of. We have our local folk languages, cultures, customs, and beliefs. The unique point here is the absence of God, but they worship their ancestors and natures. We worship our ancestors. They make idols that symbolize their ancestors and have rituals centered to them. They have their own judiciary system. Because I belongs to the same category, so I mentioned the word I and we. We have our own judiciary system. Follow a natural and culture. If you read my name many times, I wrote my name Sushama Andhare. The middle name is missing. Mr. Dagdu Rao, this name is my mother's father name. It's not my father's name, because we follow a matrilineal culture. And they do not burn their dead, but bury them. Also, the tribals do look for arms and things. It is their culture heritage. While the tribals speak many languages, we find two distinct categories of their language. One is influenced by Hindi. The people who are migrated from the North India, they are influenced with their language by Hindi. They are deprived the compensation and asked to seek the same from the neighboring state, while the neighboring state Karnataka replied that the incident happened in Maharashtra, so they could not move ahead with the compensation. The most common documentation used is the Aadhaar card and voter ID. Both are identity cards issued by central government. While state find documentation gap, they forgot that these people are citizens of India, and depriving them of compensation is basically to deny them right to be Indian and their human rights at large. Empowerment. How to empower these people? I expect something from AIM. I expecting from you people that we need. Government of India and state government of Maharashtra have many schemes to uplift depressed class people, but these schemes need proper documentation, and many of the people from tribal communities lack them. It is difficult for them to prove they are poor, needy, tribal. The first and foremost plan of action to be undertaken is to conduct a proper census of tribals, 1. Second, this should consider the most important factor of the movement of tribal to different location and state at time. The census should include factors and education, employment, different ratios, and also their lifestyles, skills, and knowledges. Here the lack of time. So, I am concluding. I only one thing, because some of my points are remains here, but a very last and very final submission of mine, that we think that you Ambedkarite people Actually, I am also Ambedkarite now because I took Dhammadiksha in 2006, 2nd October. So we expect from you people that you are an elder brother for us. So please give a protective cover for us. We have started Chalo Buddha Ki Aur Abhiyan in 2006. And it's a proud for me that I am one of the sculptor of this movement. We have started. Our people are now adopting Buddhism. Our people are trying to understand the Buddhist philosophy and what Baba Sahib said, but they need something more to educate, to empower, to uplift, and I hope that you betterly.
राज्यातील महत्त्वाच्या आणि आपल्या भागातील ताज्या बातम्या पाहण्यासाठी आजच आमच्या विश्व 24 न्यूज चॅनलला यूट्यूबवर सबस्क्राईब करा आणि बेल आयकॉन प्रेस करा.